Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on iPhone. So first of all, launch settings on your iPhone device. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of Sounds and Haptics on settings. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of ringtone. Tap on it. Now over here you can see your selected ringtone. You can scroll down below to see various options. All you have to do is tap on a ringtone and that will be set as your default ringtone on your iPhone device. You can also download or purchase other various ringtones or tones by tapping on the tone store and going to iTunes. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to change your ringtone on your iPhone device. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.